following message has been transmitted at the request of the White House. 5 hours ago, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration detected a strange gravitational event that formed around the Sun. Scientists at NASA, along with researchers from European Northern Observatory and the Jodrell Bank Observatory at the University of Manchester, confirmed it to be a black hole. That was an hour ago. This black hole is expected to destroy the inner solar system in the next 37 minutes. The probability of destruction is 1%. The Earth and inner solar system will be stretched into a singularity as the black hole grows. The Federal Emergency Management Agency has given a set of important instructions. Make peace with friends and family. Do anything that brings comfort. There is no point in staying calm. Go into a panic. Loot grocery stores. Steal cars. Do whatever you want. Spend your last moments praying. Please stand by for the last playing of the national anthem. Rest in peace, planet Earth. It was a great 4.6 billion